Hi, I'm Dr. Gupta, and I'm a general dentist. I've been a general dentist for a little over 20 years. And every time I deliver dentistry, whether it's a filling, a crown, some dental implants, whatever it is, my hope is to deliver it at the highest quality fashion, to be as thorough, as conscientious as possible. And knowing that, it's very frustrating when a patient comes back to my office and that dental work that I tried so hard is just covered in goop. It's covered in biofilm and bacteria, calculus, plaque, whatever it is. It's just very discouraging. And that's because some patients, no matter how genuine they are, how hard they try, sometimes their mouths are just not as clean as we'd like them to be. Maybe it's a limitation in their ability to brush, or maybe it's a limitation in their oral environment. But either way, it's incredibly discouraging. So what do? Well, when I was taught 20 years ago, there's two things to do. Get them in as much as possible and scrape all of that stuff away using a variety of piezos, cavitrons, scalers. Well, that has a limitation. And then the other strategy was to put antibiotics around the teeth. Well, that has a limitation. Let's talk about the scraping. Well, first of all, using a scaler or a piezo, that's using a non-microscopic tool to remove microscopic elements. Of course, that's going to have limitations. You're always going to miss something. And then as far as antibiotics go, antibiotics have limitations because it's a new world in healthcare knowledge. We realize now that too much antibiotic prescriptions is actually doing more harm for patients than it is helping them. So what do? Patients are still coming in and their mouths are full of plaque, bacteria. So I have a patient, I'm sitting in my office and I say, oh man, Mr. Jones, that dental implant, it's got threads showing, there's goop all over those threads, you have inflamed gums around, there's mucositis, bleeding, recession, pocketing, we gotta do something. And my hygienist is like, yo man, I'm a great hygienist, I'll clean that all off. And I say, wait a second, you gotta be super thorough because I just saw this slide and it shows all that bacteria that grows on a tooth root and all that bacteria that grows on an implant body. How are you gonna get all that off? And she'll say, hey, I'll use a combination of piezo instruments and titanium scalers, I'll scrape it all off. And I say, but you gotta be careful too. You don't wanna scratch the implant. And you don't wanna scratch that body. And she'll say, oh, okay, well then I'll use a plastic instrument. And I'll say, no, you can't use a plastic instrument. That'll leave a plastic residue that might actually accelerate inflammation. And she'll say, okay, fine, then I'll use a microbrush. And I'll say, oh, that's not thorough enough. And this is where a lot of us are left. We want to clean off all of that biofilm, but all the strategies that we've been given have limitations. And that's why I'm so excited to present to you a new product that I've found incredibly innovative and incredibly valuable in my office. And it's called Perio DT. It's a product that is distributed by Young Innovations, and it comes in as a gel that you can actually inject into that sulcus and move around with a microbrush. And it's not an antibiotic. Instead, what it does is it completely dries the area of the sulcus. It eradicates bacteria by eradicating all of the water in the sulcus, drying up the area and making it so that our most pathogenic bacteria can't thrive. And it's incredibly easy to use. Essentially, it comes out of a syringe tip, the same way a lot of our dental materials do. And then using a microbrush, we basically distribute this Perio DT product as deep as we possibly can into the sulcus, completely drying it. By doing that, we're drying the area, expelling the water, and making it so that the most pathogenic bacteria can no longer thrive. It's incredibly effective, and what it does is it takes implants or teeth that have at one point been deemed unfixable, and it gives those teeth many, many more years, or those implants many more years. It's a game changer for most offices, and I feel like every dental professional should at least learn more about it. The product is called Perio DT. It's distributed by Young Innovations, and it's something everybody should try.